Billy, you good with that?
Yeah.
Robert, you good with that?
It needs to be a lot higher though. My natural point of aim is higher than that.
He's like, yeah, I'm good. I can hit that.
First relay to the line. Begin a 3-minute prep for all offhand. Wow. Yeah, I was going to do that. How tall do you want it? We're doing 20 shots, right? Let's do it.
Well, I don't remember, Robert. I think I might have gone up. I remember seeing that 6.3 when I made my adjustment just now. I couldn't see it.
I kind of don't like to look at offhand.
What?
I pretty much know whether it's worth it or not. How high do you want it?
That blacking that pretty good. I was telling Robert, the flame just so small and it's the slightest breeze. That's good.
5 seconds.
I'll try it.
Preparation period has expired and any competitors require additional time. 20 shots, just 20 minutes, single load.
Shoot a couple.
Ready on the right, ready on the left. The line is ready. Your time begins now.
We shoot 20?
20. Set your position, don't move your feet.
Well, I got my 7 out of the way.
There you go. Get the bad ones out of the way first, and then.
I don't know if I can do that, Richard. The butt's way out here on my.
Okay. Well,
is it supposed to be out here on the arm?
Well, if you look at, I don't know, y'all kind of watch Roy or something. I mean, just the tip of that right there.
See, well, maybe that's what I need to do. I need to raise the butt up.
Your head, yeah.
Okay, I got that.
They keep them leaning over. I mean, here I am talking about how to shoot offhand.
Myself.
Watch Robert shoot off.
I just shot a
or
damn
Billy.
7 and I'm telling you how to shoot that. Oh, I hate offhand.
Oh. Pull that one low. Low and right.
I've been in the same person 4 times.
Okay, first relay.
My inside white 3, white 3. And I've got all sorts of mesh stuff holding me together.
You are in prep. Begin a 3-minute prep.
Randall, you're in prep.
All right. Let's see here. We get to do the city.
We're sitting rapid fire. 10 shots, 60 seconds. With the magazine exchange or reload.
We have to exchange magazines.
Here, I'll swap you 2.
No.
She rounds them. Now, shit. That damn towels and staff there. Greg.
That's all right. Don't worry about it.
Huh?
Don't worry about it.
They're trying to figure out what to do with their
It doesn't bother me as much in rapid fire as it does slow, I don't think. It'll be all right. Don't worry about it.
Well, I'm pretty sure that nobody here
Maybe it'll stay like that.
Offhand, you're throwing them behind me. I'm having my butt hanging
Yeah,
out.
I know it. This is where I start chunking right on you. It's not comfortable.
So I'll fix it here after a while.
And I ain't shooting awful hand again.
That's sling tight, Kevin.
Yeah.
Work on your position. Make sure you can get into it. Cross those legs.
All righty then, preparation period has expired.
He still kind of leans back a bit, too.
Any competitor require additional time? 10 shots, 60 seconds. Magazine exchanger reload. Ready on the right.
Don't load. You can't handle ammunition until
Yep.
it says target.
Can't touch it. Ready on the left. The line is ready. Stand by. Target.
Two-shot magazine. Two shots. Keep going. There.
Have a little trouble.
Yeah.
Make that easy for you, Greg. It's a 100.
Is it?
Fishing sucks and he's not
I don't even need to go down there.
I got 3 out in the water.
Preparation time has expired. Does any competitor require additional? No additional time required. 10 shots, 70 seconds. Ready on the right.
Thanks.
Ready on the left. The line is ready. Stand by. Target.
Oh, I don't like chocolate.
You don't like chocolate.
I know, I'm weird.
Tabasco.
Hey, every day.
Throw down a whole bunch on this puppy.
Oh, there you go.
How do you think? Champions.
I'm already doing better than my last. Like, last time and the time before that.
I've got some click
I had 160.
I thought I fairly took my time, but I must have just.
And I'm already doing better than that.
I forgot to come and click up. I was way early.
Had a little trouble. All right.
Be damned, that's still
good one?
high. I'm glad you can, I can't even see any of my bullet holes.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Well, dummy. I do have one more right there.
I put a few more on, but I shot one right in the
Him and stuff? Yeah. That's
I hold it right, man. Banging that X, man.
some strange reason.
Up
I
and
want to
down,
try
up and
it.
down.
Next time you experiment with that hand stop placement.
Yeah.
You may see what I was talking about a while back.
Smile this time. There you go.
Looks right. I gotta get this a little bit shorter.
Yeah.
I don't use this for anything, but
Actually, this one I had laying around. If you just want to use that for offhand or something, that's fine.
yeah.
That'll make a service rifle easy.
Huh?
For a service rifle, you just have to have a sling on it.
Oh, do you?
Then you can just take that off and use whatever for